Hi, today I will show you how to fix the Imei, which is 350006 for the S6 Edge. So here you go, it says about device information. So this one is on 6.0.1 and it has the Imei So first thing you need to do, you need to just root the phone. You can just simply use the CF auto root. So once it's rooted, you get the SuperSU. In SuperSU, to make things easier, go under settings, access, change it to grunt. So you don't need to do prompt all the time. So I already changed it to grunt. Okay, so you just open your Octopus. I choose the model 92588. Read information. Make sure your phone USB debugging on. Okay, and after, it's pretty simple. So what you have to do, just go under the Android EFS manager, write cert. So I'm just gonna find my cert. For my cert, so see, once you already press it on the grunt, you don't need to press prompt all the time. So you don't need to allow the access. If the phone is on 7.0 Nugget, same procedure. Root and write cert. If you have any other box other than Octopus, it also works. I'm just going to pause the video for some seconds because the software takes time. I'm just going to pause it. Okay. I pause it about 1 second and then start working. Where it says failed, it's just debug. So just ignore that message.
Yeah, Nini. Daddy. Aiza Nini. Daddy. Baba Nini. Daddy. Aiza Nini.
A few more seconds and it should be ready. So you see that the root is already working on the ADB shells. See, there you go, it worked. Just rebooting. This is for G925W8 Canadian model. Right, so we'll check the Imei number. Okay, so the phone is locked. Let's just go dismiss. See? Right, thank you for watching my video.